Welcome to the Natural History Museum Guide. This planning video is intended for you, the parent, so that you can take your family on a successful field trip to a natural history museum. You can also learn a lot about natural history through the additional at-home lessons and activities. Before you decide on where you want to go, try doing some research. Start by checking out Appendix A, Top 10 Natural History Museums in the U.S., in the Natural History Museum Guide. This lists some of the best museums across the country, perfect for a destination trip. Or, if you are looking for a lower cost option closer to home, explore Appendix B, Top Regional University Museums. These university museums often offer fantastic exhibits at a fraction of the cost. To expand your choices even further, search for local museums online. You can also ask friends and family for recommendations. Sometimes the best hidden gems are right in your neighborhood. One added tip is to check your library to see if you might be able to get a free museum pass. They often have these. But do remember, you'll need to reserve your museum day in advance, so plan ahead. Also, you can see if your local museum has resident discounts or special free days. I know that I got to go to a top 10 museum for free this past summer during a festival. And you can join a local science museum to get an ASTC travel passport. This can get you free admission to museums outside of your region. Once you've laid the groundwork, turn your focus to the main part of the guide, the nature journaling, general prompts, and topic pages. The general prompts are ideal for a first-time visit to a particular museum or for perhaps a smaller museum that has more limited exhibits. The reason is that the general prompts are suited for any natural history museum that you might go to. The topic pages are intended to be used for more in-depth exploration of a particular theme. These would be especially helpful if you're going back to a museum that you've already been to, because they will be coming to the exhibits through a new, more focused lens. Have your learners read through each topic page to decide which one or ones they might want to do. There's no way that you can do all of them. So pick and choose carefully. And also make sure that your particular museum has an exhibit that is suited for that activity. And what should you bring to the museum? I would recommend any downloaded prompts or pages, a pen, pencil, eraser, colored pencils, smartphone for taking pictures, and a clipboard if your child would like to have something to write on. The reason the smartphone is handy is that you may want to take photos of some subjects of your lessons so that your child can come back to that lesson at home if they don't finish it at the museum. It really helps, especially with anything requiring sketching, attention to detail, etc. So that's about it. I hope you have a terrific time at the Natural History Museum of your choosing.